You have the holidays coming up and you can't wait to bring out that Christmas jewelry that's been put away all year until the holidays roll around again. But what would you say if I have a design that you don't have to put away? I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and I'm going to show you today how to make a classy bracelet that's great for the holidays but also all year round.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
When making the decision on what jewelry piece to wear for that perfect Christmas outfit, we tend to go to either the Christmas or holiday themed piece. But there are 3 bracelets that I made using white pearls, colored pearls, and glass beads to give that classy, elegant look. You can pair the red and green together for Christmas, the blue for Hanukkah or winter wear. Then after Christmas, wear them for other holidays, like red for Valentine's, green for St. Patrick's Day, or try pairing the red and blue for 4th of July. And with the classy look of pearls, you can wear them with outfits throughout the year. So here's what you're going to need to make these kind of classy bracelets. We have some white pearls, we have some colored pearls, some glass beads, and some beautiful rhinestone rondelles with lobster clasp, jump rings, crimp beads and crimp covers. We have Accu-Flex 49 strand and a variety of pliers that you're going to need. Let's get started. All right, so I have my 10 inches of Accu-Flex that I cut, and I put on a bead stop at the end, and I'm going to start stringing my pearls and do a pattern. So I'm going to start off here with a couple of the white pearls, and then I'm going to put on a nice rhinestone rondelle, and then I'm going to follow with 2 more white pearls, and then I'm going to follow with a green pearl after this one. And then 2 more white pearls. And then I'm just going to follow that pattern all the way till I finish the bracelet. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's down here. So here's what we have so far. So I'm going to go over that and then another rondelle. So this is kind of the pattern that you're going to see, and you're going to repeat until you get to the desired length, about 7 inches. So we're going to go continue stringing this, and I will be back. All right, so I got my last bead here, and I'm going to put that through. Now I'm going to put my crimp beads and my crimp cover and Accu-Guard all on here. So, oops, we just got to get him situated. He keeps sticking to my finger. There we go. So I got my crimp bead on, and then my Accu-Guard. And we're going to put this in here. And then I'm going to go back through my Accu-Guard and back into my crimp bead. And then I'm also going to thread this Accu-Flex back into this pearl just for security, and he'll make it stay a little bit tighter. Okay, now push it through until I see it on this side. There it is. And then you don't want to pull, you want it tight, but you don't want to pull it too tight, because you want to have a really nice drape and have those pearls be nice and flowy. But you do want it to have it secure enough where it's not going to come apart and be loose. Okay. So we do want to remember to keep enough space also for your crimp cover that we're doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and crimp this. And then finish it off a little bit here. And then we're going to add our crimp cover. Okay. And then I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to just slowly start closing it. And just massage it and close it until it makes a little ball. And there you go. And now I'm going to take my flush cutters and just cut off that extra Accu-Flex that we don't need. And I'm going to do this to the other end, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have both ends finished, I'm going to attach my clasp to one end and another jump ring to the other end. So, whoops, we're going to get that on there. And I'm going to close this up. And then I'm going to take the other jump ring and put it on this end. And then we're going to close that up here. There you go. You have your nice, classy pearl bracelet that you can wear for Christmas and for other holidays. I hope that I showed you how to make some holiday bracelets that you can wear throughout the year. Get creative and switch out the colors and try to incorporate them throughout the year. Tag us if you've made something. We'd love to see it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Until next time, we'll see you soon.